Welcome back to another episode of Driver Battles here at Chuckwalla. Today is going to be a scorcher. I think we have a predicted high of 110 degrees. It's about 8 in the morning right now. We're trying to get things speeded up so cars have cooler air, nice temperature of the track, and can get the fastest time of the day. In today's episode, you can expect a GR86 against an S2000, but it's not a normal S2000. It's a K Swapped S2000. I don't know why that's the trend nowadays. Heck, everyone's doing it. Maybe I'll go buy a K Swapped S2000 tomorrow. Maybe you'll buy one. Whatever. It's gonna be a little humid. Cars don't really like the heat, so it's gonna be a great equalizer. It's gonna come down to really good driving, tire preservation, and if you can find that line or that cool air as fast as possible, because it's gonna run out by the middle of the day. We'll see what happens. Why did you swap?
This one, because the motor blew up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And this was attainable?
Yeah, it is cheaper.
Were you one of the first K-swapped S2000s back in the day?
Not really, but I think on SoCal on the track, I might be the first couple.
Yeah? When did you swap it?
2020, during COVID.
2020,
Yeah.
Wow. How many track days has this thing seen?
It's probably like 10, maybe.
10 track days?
Yeah.
What makes you think the K-swapped S2000, that is freaking beautiful, is gonna take down?
Well, this motor got more potential than the F-Series.
Okay.
Yeah, with a little bit more like engine work and cam,
Yeah.
you probably can get up to like 270, 280 horsepower.
So the potential of this engine's gonna beat the GR86 today?
Probably.
Oh, hear that, Honda boys? That's right. We're talking about potential, okay? Okay, pay attention. It's gonna beat GR86s. But if the GR86 beats you,
Yeah.
that all goes out the window.
Yep.
How's the car doing today?
We running into some issue with the battery.
Yeah.
It's the battery kind of weak, so we're getting misfires on a high RPM.
Yeah.
Hopefully the next session out that we can.
Give it a little bit more juice?
Yeah.
How's the car holding up otherwise outside of the battery? How are the tires doing?
The tire is doing great. It's pretty consistent during the heat. Yeah.
How are you doing? It's 110 degrees and it's not even noon.
I'm melting.
I'm melting.
Yeah.
All right. As long as we keep the car together,
Yeah.
you might win.
Yep.
Excited to win?
Yep.
All right. We got a big prize on the line.
Yep. I saw it.
Okay. All right. You guys don't know what it is yet, but it's a big prize. We have the biggest prize we've ever came up with in the history of the show. WWE belts for the winners of each round of driver battles. That's right, this is the biggest present we've ever came up with. I can't even lift the freaking thing. They're heavy, they're huge. This will be the new thing. We're gonna be fighting for belts here at Driver Battles. Son, today's a hot day. First and foremost, did you fix the RTV issues on the GR86?
Yeah, so we dropped the pan 3 times.
And fixed it?
After the 3rd time, there's no RTV.
No excessive RTV?
Excessive, yeah.
All right, other than the RTV fix, which you should do if you own a GR86, what else have you done in this car?
For the oiling system, we did the color fittings oil cooler.
Yep.
That gets rid of the factory oil cooler with the coolant to oil.
Yep.
We're running a 1 liter overfill with the AccuSump, so hopefully we don't have any engine reliability issues.
Yep.
And so far it's been taking, 115 degrees out here.
Doing good.
Solid, yeah.
Wheels and tires, what'd you do?
We did Titan 7 TP5
Yep.
in the clear polish. And the tires are the 245 40 18 Nitto NTO1.
And you could go a little bit bigger, you said.
Could go a little bit bigger, but we weren't quite sure on how much clearance we had with the bigger ones.
Yeah.
So we veered on the safe side and hopefully, you know, not buckle the fenders.
Good fitment. I mean, it's flush.
Yeah.
And for Subaru to come up with a car that you can put 245s on out of the factory is a good thing.
Yeah. We have the Maxarito lip kit and side skirt.
Yeah.
A small splitter, Illuminate splitter, and the ASM S2000 wing.
Wow, S2000 parts making an appearance,
it
huh?
is.
So you lightened it up?
Yeah, lightened it up, took out all the rear interior, took out a lot of miscellaneous brackets and stuff in the engine bay.
Yep.
And also did the tiny battery from
the tiny battery,
anti-gravity.
which is funny because your competitor is having battery issues and your battery is even smaller than his.
Yeah, so it's newer car, newer technology.
Newer tech.
Yeah.
All right, so long and short, you made this a track car with AC.
Yes, so it still has AC. We looked into even removing it, but because of how it's routed and mounted, there's a lot of work to be done in order to remove it, so we just leave it on, and we'll have a luxury car.
Well, good luck out there today. You got AC, you're gonna be nice and cool. The car looks great, 115 degrees. Driver battles, baby.
Yeah.
What makes Chuckwalla so interesting is not only is it in the middle of the desert surrounded by mountains, plains, sand, but it's a 2.68 mile course, 17 turns. A fast time here is anything sub 2. If you can go sub 2 here, you're pretty fast anywhere. It's still early in the morning. We might see a sub 2. It's our first couple laps out. Only time will tell. Let's see what happens.
Turn 1, the heavy braking and right turn. It's kind of like do or die. Like if you didn't slow down enough, you're kind of fly off the track.
For the track is probably the bowl. The bowl is actually really fun. There's a really high speed, like diving to the corner with a really high G corner.
In case you hear humming in the background, it's so hot that it's actually killing the lithium-ion batteries in both of these cars. So Sun, your car may not start again.
Yeah, probably not.
And Sky, your issue you were having earlier wasn't that your car wasn't built right, it's just the battery was too hot.
Yep.
So now we gotta talk over your engine noise for the rest of this interview.
Yep.
It's racing, folks. You guys ready to find out who won? Are you guys ready to find out who won? Who do you think won?
I hope I win,
You hope you won.
but I also hope the S2000 wins, because the last time I was here in an S2000, I lost in an S2000.
That's 2000?
Yeah.
If you win, are you gonna keep the S2000?
No matter what, I'm still gonna keep it.
You're gonna keep it no matter what?
Yep.
If you lose, are you gonna keep the GR86?
Yes.
Okay. Nobody went sub 2.
Yep. It's too hot.
Too hot.
2, 0, 2.5, Sky Chan. You think that's enough to beat Sun over here?
Probably not.
202.5? Sun, I know you're sneaky. That smirk of yours shows me that you know your own time. You're a little sneaky guy. 201.6, Sunvo won. Wear with pride, my friend. Now you got a target on your back. People are gonna want to come and claim it's hot. It's hot, it's hot. It's real, it's metal, it's hot. He's burning himself for you guys.
It's gold.
It's gold.
It's
and
real
his.
gold.
If you think you can take his belt, sign up for Driver Battle somewhere on this screen. Tell us that you're faster than Sunvo. Sky, it was an amazing day. Thanks for putting up a big fight.
Thank you.
Thanks for keeping your car on during the interview.
Yeah.
It's been fantastic. Don't burn yourself. You earned it, my friend. See you guys next time.
This thing is really hot. It is really hot.
Thanks for watching. I'm Kristen Klein, Driving Lines Editor-in-Chief. Driving Line brings you weekly episodes and series, so hit subscribe. Don't miss the next video with more automotive content that fuels you. We'll see you out there.